Good morning. Shaky camera because I'm walking downstairs. Today is a water park day, so I'm not sure how much filming is going to get done. I don't think we're spending all day in the water park. Oh, blueberry on the floor. I don't think we're spending all day in the water park, but we're going to Blizzard Beach, which has mini golf just outside it, so I think we're going to spend a couple of hours in the water park and then go do mini golf. So if we do mini golf, I'll try and film a little bit of the mini golf. If not, this will be an extremely short video, but that will compensate for the fact that I think yesterday's video was probably quite a long video. But yeah, that's what's happening today. I think we're just going to have a really quiet evening in because tomorrow is Animal Kingdom, and I think we're going to go really early and then stay really late. So it's going to be a full day tomorrow, and then followed by a full day with Universal too on Sunday. So having a bit more of a relaxing day today, and it should be fun. So we have finished in the water park, and what time is it? Oh, it's 5 to 3. So we've been in for about 5 hours or so.
Have we?
Yeah, well 10 to 11, 11 till 12, 12 till 1,
yes.
1 till 2, 2 till 3. So about 2.5 hours. Oh, Dad's calling us over. We ran to the car to put the bag in and change my shoes, and now we're running to play golf. And these shoes that I changed into, I got the other day in Disney Springs. They are one of the best purchases ever. The bottom's made out of yoga mats, and I put them on and then I stood at the car and I was like, best shoes ever! They're so comfy. Don't drop the car keys, Matthew, but we're gonna go play golf now. This behind me is hole number 2, and I'm not quite sure which course because there's 2 different courses, but it's called Peppermint Pond. And as usual, wherever possible, I've picked a blue ball. I like anything blue. I just got a hole in one. I just got a hole in one. On this one.
I can't fit under that.
Sorry, Melty the snowman, but you're a goner. I just want to film the twirly bit. You might need to push it in, Matthew.
That's 2 shots.
That's one shot, it just got stuck.
Sam, yours got stuck up there. You have to
Where's the hole? Oh, so we finished golf. I came second to last, and we're walking back to the car so we can go have showers. But I'm having my favourite Disney snack, which is a Mickey ice cream sandwich, and these are totally underrated. If you've never had one and you're in Disney, you need to get one because they are amazing. So we're going to go back to the apartment, get dressed, and then we're booked at Olivia's for dinner, and then we're going to have a really relaxing evening. I shouldn't have ran. I'm so unfit. Be fit, people. Get your exercise in. Go do some walking every day.
Have you done lecturing people?
I'll see you in a bit.